Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by exposing the problem so repair will bond. Find every bubble and mark it. Once located, score the paint film with a utility knife. Cut edges about 1/4 to 1/2 inch so paint releases cleanly. You should scrape away all loose material down to sound substrate. This prevents future lift. Make sure to clear dust and flakes with a brush and vacuum. Removing contaminants lets fillers and primers adhere, which is why we remove instead of just painting over. Once the area is clean and dry, you must fill and level the void so the surface is uniform. Apply a flexible exterior filler into the exposed cavity, pressing it into edges and feathering outward. This maintains adhesion and reduces visible seams. Let it cure per product instructions, often several hours to overnight, then sand smooth using progressively finer grit. Next, prime the repair with a bonding exterior primer so paint adheres and to block moisture. Use a brush at cut lines for complete coverage. You finish by applying 2 thin top coats rather than 1 heavy coat. This reduces trapping solvents and promotes long-term cure. Start with a light coat, allow recommended flash time, and then apply a second coat, blending back into surrounding paint to hide edges. Make sure sheen and product type match existing paint. Incompatible systems cause failure. If bubbles return, inspect for moisture intrusion, old oil-based versus new latex incompatibility, or compromised substrate. Address that root cause before repeating repairs.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.